Hi guys, welcome to Excel Advisor. Today we are going to learn how to create professional looking Excel sheet. Here you can see some function name, their syntax, uses, an example. So let's start with the very first function, upper. Syntax आप देख पा रहे हैं, equals to upper parenthesis open then close. इसका यूज हम कहाँ पे करते हैं? कोई भी अल्फाबेट को कैपिटल लेटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ दिस इन स्मॉल लेटर्स and by using upper function I can capitalize all the letters like this. Second, proper. You can see the use change the first alphabet of every word to capital letter. So here like this you can see जो first alphabet है E अब वो capital letter में हो गया by the use of proper function. Same lower, it is just opposite to upper function. For example, like this you can see I have taken F4, that is Excel, which is written in capital letter. Then left, extract a given number of characters from the left side of a supplied text string, which means suppose मैं यहाँ पे text लेता हूँ this one, that is A4 Excel, नंबर करेक्टर्स मुझे जानना है कि फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे क्या है एक्सेल के. एज इट्स नेम सजेस्ट ये एक स्ट्रिंग की लेफ्ट पोजीशन से काउंट करना स्टार्ट करता है. एक्सेल की फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे ई है, दैट्स व्हाई आई गॉट ई. इफ आई पुट 2 instead of 1, you can see I will get the first 2 characters. In the same way the right function work, just opposite to left. Here we go. Trim, this is the most basic function used everywhere to remove extra spaces. For example, if I have right space Excel Advisor, so here you can see first the length of this cell is 14. Now if I use trim, the length will get reduced to 13. I'm sorry, just because the space which we provided before Excel has been removed now. In a similar way, if I type Excel Advisor, I have given 1, 2, 3 spaces now. So if I check the length of this, it is 16, but after using trim function you can see the length is 13 because it removes the 3 spaces. So that's how trim function works. This is something which you can use in every Excel file to clean your data, to make it more representable. If in case you need any help, you can comment it down or you can reach me here.